A wedge-shaped pillow can prop you up at a comfortable angle while reading or watching TV, and potentially alleviate various sleep woes like snoring, sinus pressure, and acid reflux. There are many products available to choose wedge pillows, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best wedge pillows from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DMI Bed Wedge Pillow. Looking for something a bit more wallet-friendly? Check out the DMI Wedge Pillow. It measures 24 × 24 inches and comes in your choice of 7, 10, or 12 inches in height. This pillow is made of extra firm foam. Though it's not Certipore US certified and may be too stiff for some people, the high-density material is designed to conform to the curves of your body and resist flattening over time. We also like that the zippered microfiber cover is removable and machine washable. Number 2. Kolb's Bed Wedge Pillow. Luxurious and stylish jacquard pillowcase. Hey, it's your bedroom, not a hospital room, give it some style. The Kolb's Wedge features a classic yet contemporary design. The removable jacquard pillowcase protects the inclined pillow from stains while promoting a comfortable night's sleep. Cover is machine washable and can be removed from the triangle pillow core. Super comfortable bed wedge pillow, snoring pillow, available in 2 height options, 7.5 inches and 12 inches height. This is the 7.5 inches option. Wedge pillow. Number 3. Bed wedge pillow. For those interested in an adjustable option, we recommend the all-set wedge pillow. Boasting a 7-in-1 design, it can be folded into various configurations to support your head, back, legs, knees, or feet. At 22 inches wide and 12 inches high, it fits on any bed, no matter your preferred position. You can also fold it into a 9 inches height when you want a little less incline. Number 4. Unix LX13 6PCS Orthopedic Bed Wedge Pillow. If you're planning on getting a lot of use out of your wedge pillow, you'll definitely want to check out the Unix LX13 6PCS Orthopedic Bed Wedge Pillow Set. While it might come at a steeper price point than the other options on this list, the fully adjustable set comes with 6 separate pieces for a fully adjustable setup that can support multiple positions and body types. We also love that it's OEKO Tech certified, meaning you can rest easy knowing it's been tested for harmful substances. Whether you're sitting, lounging, or sleeping, this wedge pillow set can provide the best alignment and comfort for just about any position you're in. Number 5. Brentwood Home Crystal Cove Wedge Pillow. If we had to pick just one wedge pillow, we'd have to go with the Crystal Cove Wedge Pillow from Brentwood Home. The foam filling is infused with cooling activated charcoal, which can be especially helpful if you tend to overheat at night. The cover zips off for easy washing, and this is definitely a plus considering not all wedge pillows have removable covers. It also works as a handy laptop stand or lower body support when you want to elevate your legs or feet. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.